Hi, I'm Yefeng from the Dribbling Young Trailblazers. For our study buddy project, we decided to clone the Microsoft To Do app. This is how it looks like, and this is how ours look like. For my part of the project, I made the navbar, and which can switch between panels, and I'm quite proud of it. How I made it was by making the panels display none, and only make it display block when their corresponding buttons are clicked. I was also in charge of making the important panel. I can add tasks. I can check the task, uncheck it, or remove it. It will also be accessible in the nav bar when I click on this button. Initially, I struggled with uh, transferring this task, the added task from the panel to the pop-up. With the help of ChatGPT, turns out it was actually quite easy. All I had to do was link the inner HTML from the panel the inner to the inner HTML of the pop-up. Now this is how it looks like in mobile view. The nav bar has been replaced by the hamburger icon. Unfortunately, it is not functional, which means I cannot switch to other panels. So this is the one thing that I would like to improve for my project. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tajul and today I'll be showing some of my work in our group project. I'm in charge of making the visuals for my day, groceries and planned pages. Also some work on the icons, like as you can see here. I use different icons on almost everything here and here. See difference? The feature I'm most proud of has to be the visuals. That includes the background. It's not the prettiest background, but I guess it'll do for now. Maybe I'll add some more. And I still use Font Awesome because here, because it is very easy to use. You can like choose whichever font you want. It has everything basically. The most struggle I've had has to be positioning this specifically. Focus on your day thing here in the center here. I was using display flex, but all it does is it only fixes the positioning inside the div. Like, let me show you here. I use display flex, like flex direction, items, and everything. Maybe I didn't use it properly. Let me know. But it doesn't work. All it does is it fixes the positioning of the content inside this box, not the box itself or around the page. So what I did is I add a display block, and yeah, it seems to work. Yeah, and I don't know, to be honest, how it works, but tell me if you know. And what I would like to improve is cleaning up our CSS files. We've learned the hard way that we should have used multiple CSS files rather than just ones. As you can see here, we got like more than 700 lines here. It's insane to find one or two thing that you want to fix. And I would like to learn JavaScript, I guess, since all of our JavaScript were done by Cho alone, and I can see how useful it is on developing a website. And yeah, that is all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is James Wu and I will be presenting for the Dribbling Young Trailblazers. My teammate Yefeng has kindly made a JavaScript based button that if I press this button here, the suggestions come out. So in this case, I was in charge of creating this suggestions box, and in this case it is contained into one single container with an unordered list and various list items. Now, what feature am I most proud of? I would say that it was the discovery of these tooltips I didn't know that all you need to do is just put the title here, and it will actually pop up. And also just the various item opacity differences when you highlight and hover over the items. My biggest coding struggle would have to be, in this case, I had a lot of trouble trying to figure out these tooltips. I didn't know that this was a thing. I had no clue that you could just do it with the title, and there was a roundabout way that I was being taught previously on W3 schools, but oh well. What could I improve? I think I would like this to be more functional. The date here is a mock date. It cannot change, so I'd love to change it. What useful resource? I would say W3 School has helped me throughout most of this coding journey. So thank you.